Canoeist Lisa DeHart here, 3 Minutes with a Maine Guide, and we're continuing our segment on cooking over an open fire. When last we left our heroes, we had a nice big fire, we had flames licking up in between these pots, we were waiting for that nice big fire to drop to coals so that we could cook the main meal, and because we were on the job, as soon as it does, we've got hot dishwater, coffee, and dessert. Now I'm going to share with you some tricks of the trade. Okay, canoeists, oh boy, here's something I wished I'd have thought of, but I didn't. It came from a guest. It's a piece of surgical tube, and I think this is a pen top from one of my son's markers, okay? It's a bellows. It's a bellows that folds up to this. What is the danger with any bellows, especially if it's a straight copper tube or something? That's breathing the hot ash in. You always got to make sure you're breathing out and not sucking any of it in when it's right down there in the fire. This bends. You don't have to worry about it. You blow that in there like that, that bend in that tube is going to make it so you could never suck that hot ash into your lungs. It's brilliant. It is absolutely, positively brilliant. Still trying to get over the fact that I didn't think of it, but I am eternally grateful. You're going to want this, just a simple bellows. Okay, here's just another basic essential equipment when you're cooking over an open fire is fireplace gloves. Get the real deal. You're going to want them, you're going to need them. It's a safety thing. Another important cooking thing is do your wash water first, okay? And dedicate the tin buckets to the wash water. Don't get trapped by, oh, we'll take the large cooking pots and we'll repurpose those for dishwater. When everybody gets to camp and they're hungry and they look at those two large cooking pots, do you think they want wash water in them or food? They want food. And then the dishes never happen. I'll tell you two things that happen if you hit that dishwater first every single time. First of all, nobody's going to expect to eat out of a tin bucket. So you're safe with the wash water in the tin buckets. And then, because your wash water went on first, before you start doing the bulk of your cooking, you can have a super slimmed down cook box because you don't need 7 mixing bowls. You only need 2. Because as soon as you've done apple crisp or whatever in one, you've got hot wash water. If you need to do a coleslaw or a salad in it, bam, wash it like that. You can have a super slimmed down, nice cook set because you did the wash water first every single time. Over the next couple of episodes, I hope to delve into all the skills that spiderweb off of feeding yourself over an open fire, from tarps to tools to firewood. I'm Lisa DeHart, and you've just spent 3 minutes with a Maine Guide.